Hello everyone and welcome back to all of you in Region Institute and Training Center YouTube channel. My name is Buddhi Vishwas and I am your SAP HCM consultant or trainer. So let's start our new topic, what is transport request and how to create a transport request. All these things we will see here. Okay, one by one. First we have discussed transport request related theory. After that we implement or be practical how to create a transport request. Okay, so first is what is a transport request? Transport request is a kind of container or collection of changes that are made in the development system. Means anything, any configuration you have doing in the development system, all this activity, all this configuration, all these changes are stored or saved in the transport request. Okay, container means suppose in your desktop or laptop you see folder and within folder all your multiple tasks or changes are saved. So that is the same in transport request. All your changes, all your activity you are doing in the development system. All these things are stored in as a container in transport request. It is also known as TR. TR is the short form and also be called change request. It's also record the information regarding the type of changes. Type of changes means that it's maybe a configuration setting changes, development changes, customization according to the business need. Okay, so according to the business need, whatever the changes we have made, all this record are stored in the transport request. Okay, so how this transport requests are moved from one system to another system. So this transport request is one from one system to another system. Means there are three systems. One system is development system, another system is quality system, and last system is production system. From development system, where all the configuration, all the development related things or activities are doing, and after completing this thing, it is transport through SAP basis team is migrate or transport from one development system to quality system. After quality check, that all the configuration are transferred to the production department. Production department means where all the things are work, means it is used as a life. Okay, so how it's moved from one system to another system, as we discussed in SAP HCM. So like TR is used to transport changes related to personal administration, organization management, payroll, time management from a development system to testing, and then testing system to production system. So these are the all the configuration related things. Means these are the some module in SAP HCM like personal administration, organization management, benefits, payroll, time management, personal development. So these are the sub module. So these sub module are transferred from one system to another system through transport request. Okay, so there are mainly two types of transport request. One is customizing transport request, another one is Workbench transport request. Customizing transport request means it is related to the functional related consultant. Function related consultant means functional consultant are doing the customizing related things. They configure customize related things, means that any changes, any according to the business need, according to the client specific, what are the customized setting are doing. So all this type of setting are doing in customizing request. And another type of transport request is workbench request. Workbench request is done by the technical consultant, means technical team. So technical team means all the development related things, any report, any function. So these type of things, programs, tables. So this type of all the changes or activity are doing by the technical consultant, means like AWAPers, we also known as the AWAPers, who are doing this type of changes. And there are two transaction code of for transport request. Through this transaction code we have create transport request and we have display the transport request. Means SE09 is used for creating transport request, SE010 is used for display transport request. So how does the transport request process work? Means what are the steps, how to this all the process of the transport request are done. So first we create a transport request, means using a transaction code SE09, or automatically you also create a transport request. Okay, means if you not create first you not create transport request, but when you configure, means when you configure the, or when you perform any activity in the SAP, so it's automatically after when you click on save button, then you automatically redirect into a transport request pop-up screen, and that screen you click on that screen and you show all the transport request configuration. If you want to save this activity in this any given transport request, then you click whatever transport request you want to save your all this configuration. But if you want to create a new transport request, then click on create button. Okay, and create a new transport request, and that transport request you save your all the configuration. Okay, and after that make the record changes, means any configuration, any activities, any changes you made, so all the changes are stored in that transport request. Okay, after that release the transport request. These are releasing transport request, import transport request, all this type of work by the SAP basis team. Basis team maintain this releasing and importing transport request. Release transport request is also done through SC 10. After testing, import the transport request into quality system for the testing. And from in testing phase, after testing phase, uh, SAP AV system move to the production department, but the testing is completed. So these are the all the process of the transport request, how this transport request work. Now we will create a transport request and understand how to create a transport request. Okay, so we go to our SAP login screen. Okay, enter username and password. Now you come to the SAP screen. First screen page is easy screen page, and in command bar enter SC09. Now you say transport organizer. This is the first screen for the transport request. Okay, and here you see a create button, means through this create button you create the transport request. And if you want to, what what are the transport requests are already exist in your transport request organizer screen, so click on display. Here you see a sample transport request, local project, dummy project. These all are the transport request you show. And in this transport request you can see all the configuration you were made. Okay, and these are the configuration, you also say all the configuration whatever employee made. Okay, and here also you see these are all the configuration. Okay, so this type of configuration like uh, define company assign company code to the company, edit company code, uh, employee define employee group, employee subgroups, personal areas, personal sub areas. So this type of all the configuration you have to see here. Okay, now come back. Now click on create button. Now you say there are two types of transport request. One is customized transport request or workbench request. As I as I am as a SAP HCM consultant, I choose customized request because SAP HCM consultant is also a functional consultant, so it choose customized request. Okay, all the customized related things, all the this type of things or configuration be doing in customized request. Okay, select customized request and click on continue or copy. Okay, now you enter a short description, like I enter a short description is functional transport request. Okay, functional transfer request. Okay, functional transfer request. Click on save button. Now you automatically see this is your functional transport request. Okay, so here you see all the configuration you will doing further. Okay, now this is the complete your transport request is generated, and click on back. Okay, now click on display. Now you say here this configuration or this transport request create here. Okay, now so this way you create your transport request. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, so please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.